Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this fantastic Toyota RAV4 2.5 VVT-h Design CVT 4-wheel drive. Now this vehicle has currently done 28,815 miles and it's finished in the colour Galaxy Black. It does come with 2 previous services. It sits very nicely on 18-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. To the rear, you'll find your powered tailgate, which can be opened using the key fob, making access into the boot much easier for you. In the boot, you'll find 580 litres of space, which can be increased to 1,690 litres with the rear seats down. Underneath the boot floor, you also have a very handy spare wheel, which is super convenient to have. Here inside to the rear, you've got your stylish two-tone cloth interior. You have a nice pattern in the centre of the seats. On the outer seats, you've got ISOFIX points, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Up front, you'll find your leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, moving around to your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable. To the left of the steering wheel here, you've got controls for your infotainment system as well as the display in the instrument cluster. To the right, you'll find your cruise control. You also have your lane departure warning system there. On the display here, you've got access to your fuel economy. You also have your driver assist display, audio, trip information, including your hybrid and all-wheel drive. You also have your driver assist features, including your pre-collision warning system, parking sensors, your road sign recognition. You also have vehicle messages as well. In the centre of the dashboard, you do have your touchscreen infotainment system. On this, you've got access to DAB, FM and AM radio. There is also USB and Bluetooth connectivity for your own music. The system does come with navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. In the phone menu here, you can pair it with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving. You also have your app feature here. You have Toyota Online. You also have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can pair your smartphone up super easily. In the info here, you've got your trip history and trip information, and you also have your energy monitor for the hybrid system. In your setup here, you do have system and some vehicle settings available to you. You do have front and rear parking sensors as well as a reverse camera to make parking much easier. Down below, you'll find your dual zone automatic climate control. You've got your USB and 12-volt sockets as well as some storage there, your automatic gear selector, and next to this you have your driving modes.
RAC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.